Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're making green chili enchiladas with portobello mushroom, zucchini, and pepper. Place roasted peppers, enchilada sauce, 3 cloves of garlic, cilantro ends into a blender and blend until smooth and set aside. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. In a large sauté pan, heat olive oil over medium-high heat, add onion, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and stir. Add mushrooms, bell peppers, and sauté for 5 to 7 minutes until vegetables are soft, stirring occasionally. Add green chilies, zucchini, and taco seasoning. Sauté the mixture for another 2 minutes. Remove pan from heat and place into a large bowl and allow to cool. Once the mixture is cool, add 8 ounces of cheese and chopped cilantro and mix well. Add 1/4 of the enchilada sauce to the bottom of 2 baking dishes. To assimilate enchiladas, add the filling evenly to the tortillas. Roll and place in the sauced baking dish. Cover the enchiladas with the remainder of the sauce. Add the cheese evenly over the top. Bake uncovered for 15 to 20 minutes until the enchiladas are hot and cheese is melted. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.